Well, breaking news for you this hour. A death in Harrison Township is being called suspicious this morning. Brooke Moore is live at the scene with the breaking developments. And what do you know so far, Brooke?
Well, Dan, just hours ago, officials found a 38-year-old man dead in his apartment here in the 300 block of Forest Park Drive in Harrison Township, and they are looking at it as a suspicious death, a possible homicide at this point. Take a look at the scene here behind me. I'm told by officials on the scene they came around 2 this morning to check on this man because these apartments are being vacated to be fixed up. And a security company who patrols the area, they happened to notice that the man's mail had been backing up, and so they called police. Now, they tell me it's been about 36 to 48 hours since anyone has seen or spoken with this man. And also, one of his cars is also missing. They towed away his second car earlier, but one is missing, so police are on the lookout for that. I'm told that it's a 1991 Honda Accord Gray with a license plate EY32506. So keep an eye out for that car, but if you see it, call police. They want to remind you this could be a homicide, so those people could be dangerous. We just don't know at this point. And now the next step is obviously going to be the coroner identifying this man, hopefully answering some more questions, but this investigation is still underway, so be sure to stick with 2 News, WDTN.com for the latest updates. Reporting live, I'm Brooke Moore, 2 News Today.